Hey everybody, today we're in Cinnabar Winery in Gilroy, California, and we're here for their annual pruning and barrel tasting event. Cinnabar's Gilroy vineyard includes a tasting room, patio seating, and a large outdoor space. Their annual pruning and barrel tasting event provided an in-depth look at how the vines are pruned for various farming conditions. It also allowed for the tasting of 5 future wines straight from the barrel. I'll let you know my thoughts on the whole experience towards the end of the video. The pruning session started out with some education around the process. As we walked out into the vineyard, we were shown the various things that were taught to us. This included the use of vegetation to provide the soil with nutrients.
See the edges there of the native stuff that grows there. It's not much nutrient giving it back to the soil. So typically what you see there is just going to take care of itself.
It also included how to prune and properly space to maximize the energy for the number of buds left on the vine.
Is count again. Each bud is going to be a shoot, and each shoot has 2 clusters. So we could count nothing there. There's one. I'm trying to count this side only. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's say 18. 9 shoots times 2 is 18.
From the vineyard, we moved indoors for some light snacks, wine tasting, and some additional education.
So this is the producer. This is the forest in front.
Okay.
This is the type of toast, and this is the size. Medium toast plus. Medium toast plus versus medium toast long. It might sound like the same, but it's just more time on that one. On the final, like 2.
We tasted wines from the Santa Cruz Mountains, Monterey County, and even Lake County. In summary, I really enjoyed the experience. Most of the winery tours that I have been on were focused on the winemaking process. It was great to get educated from the farming and pruning side. I would definitely recommend coming to this experience if you have not yet been. That will do it for this video. Make sure to subscribe to see my next winery visit. Thanks for watching.